Hello viewers, in this video let us learn how to create a website using HTML and CSS. So first open Visual Studio Code, open a folder. See, on the desktop I have a folder by name website. Open this folder. So this folder has a HTML file and some images. So this is the content of the HTML file. So I have linked a style sheet by name style.css to this HTML file. So I have a container, I have a navbar. Within this navbar I have an image, a unordered list with some links and a button with some image. Okay. Below this I have a content with a header, a paragraph and a form with input and button. Okay. So I will open this file in live server. So this is the content of the web page. Okay, now let us style this. So go to style.css. So first we have this navbar. Before that we have a container. Let us add a background to the container. So class name is container. Okay. Add a background image, URL. So here within the images I have background.png, jpg, images, background.jpg. So save this, come to the web page. Okay, you can see the background here. Now let us position this image. Okay, so type background position. So center the image in the screen, Control S. Okay. Okay, now you can see the scroll bars. Okay, but the image is not visible completely. So again type background size cover, Control S. Okay, now it is visible. Okay, now let us add min height. Okay, Control S. Okay. Now let us style the logo and these links and the button. So the logo is within the navbar. So copy this, Control C, style, Control V, navbar, type display effects to arrange the nav elements in a row. Okay, you can see here they are arranged in a row, logo, links and the button. Now let us say the logo, give some width 180 pixels. Okay, now it is small. You can see the links here. Now give some space here between the nav elements. Come to the nav bar, justify content, space between. Okay, you can appear here, it is not visible. So make this white. Also align them center, vertically. Align items center. Now it will be placed center vertically. Okay. Okay, to the container give some padding. top and bottom 10 pixels, left and right some 4%. Okay, so you can see the padding here, here and here. Okay, now remove the default padding and margin, so set it to margin 0. Okay, so don't see any space here. This logo and these elements are placed at the top, there is no space. So also remove the padding 0. Okay, so space is reduced in the surroundings. Now set the box heading to border box. Border box. Okay, now the scroll bars are disappeared. The web page fits into the screen. Okay, now we can see the padding here at the top and the left. It is given by this top 10 pixels, left and right 4%. Okay, now come to this nav bar, links, list elements. This within the nav we have another list and list items and a anchor. So set the color to white. Now it is visible. Make it bigger, font size. Control S. Visible. Remove the underlines. Text decoration. None. So underlines are removed. So place them in a row. Come here. Nav. UL. Inline. Set display to inline block. So it will occupy only that much space which is required. Okay, so home occupies only this much space. This occupies only this much space. Next, for the another list, make it occupy the entire space. Set the width to 100%. Okay, so this entire space is occupied. This entire space is occupied by this unordered list. Okay, align them to the right. Text align right. Okay, comes to the right side. Give some padding. Padding right. 60 pixels to give the space between this button and the list. So also give some spreading from spacing here between the links. So come to this li, padding top and bottom 5 pixels or 0 pixels, left and right some 15 pixels. So you can see the space here. Okay, come to this button. So the icon is not visible. If you come to this HTML, in this button we have a images icon that is not visible. So change the background .btn background. Give some color. Set it to F5168D. The icon is not visible. So this is the icon, this is the text. So style this button. Display text. Okay, so they arrange horizontally in a row. Give some padding top and left. Padding 5 pixels. 10 pixels. Okay, some place here. Button image. Give some red. 30 pixels. So the image is reduced size. So after the image, margin right, give some space, some 10 pixels or 20 pixels. So the space is there. Now color this text. So with the color, give color to white. So white is appearing here. So make it bigger. Font size, font weight 600. Thicker. So align this center. And this center. So they are in the same line. Now come here. You can see this header, paragraph, input and button style there. So the header is within the content and the header. Content. Margin top some 6%. So you can see the space here. Style the text. Color. Weight. Okay. So all the color, this header, paragraph and this text, everything is white. So within the content we have the header, font size 70 pixels, bigger, so it looks upward. Make it smaller, some 60 pixels. Okay. So below the header gives a margin bottom 25 pixels. So you can see a space here. Now coming to this form. So within this font text, we have a form, input and button. Content, form, display, let's. So both come in a single row. So above the form, give some space, margin top 30 pixels. So you can see a space here. So now make this bigger. Big 100%. Okay, now set a bit for max width for this max width and 600 pixels. So it will not get more than 600 pixels. So if you reduce the size, increase the size not more than this one, up to there only the size. So within the form we have content, form and input. So make it bigger, width 100%. Okay, now it's bigger. Now within this input give some padding here and here. Padding. 5 pixel and 10 pixel. So you can see a space here. So make this padding for the form. So set the background to white. Okay. So for the input, remove the border. Border 0. So the left line is gone. Let's take input. Control S. Refresh. Okay, now it is gone. So move the text, placeholder text a little bit. Adding 0 pixels, 10 pixels. What is more? Now style this button. Content, form, button. So button has a border, remove the border, this black border. The pixels. Save and view page. But it's done. Make it bigger. Adding 5 pixels top and bottom, 10 pixels left and right. Refresh. Not saved. Control S. Okay. This now button. Okay. So for the form, so the border reduce 10 pixels. You can see rounded edges. So this is how the web page looks. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.